Universidad de Zamboanga, and currently the sorority president of Alpha Kappa Rho, Cagayan de Oro chapter. Ladies and gentlemen, your fingers please for Miss Laser March Darimbang Misionan.
Our second judge, a Bachelor of Science and Administration of St. Rita's College, a certified kapuso, and of course, Event and Promotion Supervisor of GMA Northern Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, please all welcome Mr. Oshin P. Valerio.
Our next judge is a choreographer, wedding, debut planner, and event organizer, a church counselor, and a mission advocate of Golden City and Alliance Fellowship, hair and makeup artist by profession, winner of the recently concluded World Hair and Makeup Competition held at Westin Philippine Plaza, Rojas Boulevard, Metro Manila. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at the University of Southern Philippines, Cebu City. And presently graduating 4th-year College of Bachelor of Science in Criminology at Colegio de Santo Niño, Hasaan, Misamis Oriental, as one of the Dean's Lister. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Prince Angelo C. Reconoce Jr. Okay, ang mechanic sa atong Barangay 18 Got Talent. All the performers are given minimum of 3 minutes to perform on stage.
Pwede ang TV hosting, broadcast modeling, singing, acting, and dancing.
Pwede po fire dancing, latay sa alambre, kaon o unsa may pwede kaonon. As long as the judges will like it, no problem.
While the performers are performing on their presentation, the judges has the ability to stop by hitting the bell. Again, pwede nila i-stop ang inyong presenting ni by hitting the bell.
Okay, so i-check na to ang mga bells kung ma-function ba. Okay, let's start with our kapuso. Check. Hoy, nitingog! I-check na to ang atong sorority president. Oh, nitingog yapon. And the other one, Prince. Okay, so ni-function siya. So, pag manunggan ganin na ninyo 3 times, okay, isa, duha, tulo, automatically ang nag-perform on stage will stop and then say goodbye to the competition. Okay? Pero, pwede po, mix, di ba? Pwede nga duhara ang mag-ring sa bell. So, padayon gyapon siya mag-perform. Sabot? Uy, wala ka dumot. Okay, si Mariklama mo niya, magtingog-tingog na niya. Okay, dayon, pilay kinahanglan mix.
Ang ladawan.
Kinahanglan nga. Then after that, after nga wala ni ring ang bell, dayon ang ato mga judges mag-comment sila. And then they will give the score. Okay, so i-check na to inyong. Okay, final 2. Okay, so i-check na to ang unsay nasa likod sa X. O, check. So, we need, o kinahanglan tao.
I-check na to itong mga kuan. Kaya basi puro na check.
Oh, okay. Sa tubangan, check. Sa likod, X. So, ang dapat tulo. Dapat mo score og tulo ka check para mo continue sa